Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a legend to your MATLAB plot. So basically what you'll need to do is type like this, legend, then open the brackets and type the, let's say, sin by x, or you can just import the other way. I'm going to show you the easier way how you can do that. So now I'm going to run this and it will show and generate the figure. And as you can see, it generated me a custom legend right here. But if you want to add the simpler way, what you can do is basically remove the legend right here and just run the graph. And you can just click on the legend right here and it's going to show you. Now, that means you added a simple legend. But to customize the name of it and just to be always there, you need to write a code as I did. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.